We having some Cynful Jambalaya tonight. Start out by preheating your pan, add that oil, and then just kind of swirl it around to coat the bottom of the pan. Get it fully coated. Go ahead and add your sausage. Now, I use kielbasa, but you can use andouille for a bit more spice. We're just going to cook it down till it gets good and brown. Now, don't worry about what you see on the bottom. That's just good flavor. We're going to get that mixed in with the vegetables here in a bit. So we're going to add our holy trinity of Cajun cooking, our peppers, onions, and celery, and a little bit of chicken broth so we can get that good stuff off the bottom. About, I don't know, 2 tablespoons or so. Just scrape that up off the bottom. Look, it's all in there, all that flavor. Now we're going to make a well in the center, and we're going to put about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Now, I put too much in this particular one, so I've adjusted the recipe. About 2 tablespoons of your simple blackened seasoning and a cup of the chicken broth. We're going to add that a cup at a time until we use it all. There's the last one. Stir that up. Get that all in there. And then add your sausage back in. We're going to take a bay leaf and break the spine, just like that. We're going to take 2 of them and drop those 2 bay leaves in there. Break both the spines on that. Add your rice and stir it up. And bring it to a boil. Then put a cover on top of it and set your timer for about 20 minutes. We're going to cook it for 20 minutes and then we're going to turn the burner off but leave it on a hot burner. Let it sit for another 5 to 10. It'll soak up any of the rest of it and finish off that rice all by itself just by the heat of the pan. Now I have a printable recipe file in the video description, so check that out. But I'm going to show you the recipe anyway. Now, I'd like to thank you guys for joining me in my kitchen today for some wonderful jambalaya. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.